Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing a sea bass dish. Crispy skin sea bass, pan roasted in clarified butter, served with a French classic, fondant potatoes, and raspberry gastrique. I filleted the sea bass myself, but it is easy to find already filleted. So fillet the fish and refrigerate. Start portioning the potatoes. So I cooked the potatoes twice because I wasn't gonna serve it immediately. First I fried both sides until golden brown and set aside. So if you are gonna serve it immediately, you can skip this step and start cooking it already in clarified butter. And start making the raspberry gastrique. A gastrique is a classic French sweet and sour sauce made by caramelizing sugar and then deglazing it with vinegar. I just started a dinner idea series. This is actually the second video in the series. The first one was chicken breast with asparagus and a pan sauce. And if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it out as well. With this series, my goal is not just to give you some recipes, but to show you that you can create restaurant quality dishes at home using the tools you already have. You can easily find these type of recipes in the playlist of dinner ideas on the channel. And when the sauce is ready and we are about to serve the dish, we will finish off the potatoes. Add clarified butter and aromatics in the pan and the potatoes. Then add in the liquid until potatoes are halfway covered. The cooking liquid is originally chicken, veal or vegetable stock. Here I used a very quickly made vegetable stock. When the liquid is reduced and the potatoes are cooked, you can finish it off with butter and glaze them. Now we can cook the sea bass. It cooks very fast. Please don't overcook it. So heat the clarified butter until it's shimmering and place the fish skin side down and cook over medium heat until the skin is deeply golden and crispy. You can add any aromatics you want. So you can just flip the fish and cook the other side for about 20 seconds because by the time the skin is crispy, the fish is 90% cooked. Now heat the sauce up and start plating. Afiyet olsun. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video. And by the way, what is your favorite sea bass recipe? Feel free to leave a comment.